We're going to talk about healthy eating, we're going to talk about food, and then we're going to have some fun. Get out of here.
I actually got chastised by Chef Irvine for not trying the collard greens, because historically I have not liked them. But he got me to try them, and they were actually very good.
I asked a lot of you about collard greens today, right? And you all went, I don't want that, they're green, yeah. Collard greens are superfood. Some of the best you can get. If you eat it, you will be healthy. Not only from a gut standpoint, but also everything else that goes through our system. Eat green vegetables, folks. What you put into your body is what you get out of it. And we have proven that scientifically, we have proven that on the battlefield, and now we know what to do.
The reason of coming here to Lackland Air Force Base is to literally educate our airmen that have just joined, going through training, how to eat correctly, how to drink, what to drink, how to keep their bodies like temples. That's our future. Our military and our country and our freedom depends on these young men and women. God bless America is not just a saying. Freedom is not free. It takes people like this to put on a uniform and stand the wall or the watch every day so we can have freedom, so we can do what we do. Without these guys and girls signing up and doing what they do, we wouldn't have a free country. We wouldn't be able to vote. We wouldn't be able to do anything. So we are blessed, and I'm blessed to be stood amongst great heroes. Not only here, but all these folks that are joining the military. So every time you see somebody wearing a uniform, you better say thank you to them, because you can do what you want because they're wearing that uniform. Do you agree? There you go.
What you're doing, keep defending this great country. We appreciate you all.